I think I just found the best travel hack ever, and it's called Resort Pass. So we just spent all day where you would normally have to spend $600 a night for this Airbnb resort in Joshua Tree. But heads up, we got to use all the facilities for a day.
I'll tell you a secret.
For $40 a person. Freaking amazing. We're gonna break down why we did it, how we did it, all coming up next. So babe, why can't we play here? Said, how come we can't play here?
Play here?
Yeah.
What do you mean? There's ants everywhere and it's hot. I mean, it's great. Come stay here. Ah!
Okay, kids are going crazy. We need to figure out what to do because right now it is total sun in the backyard. Which means we are going to spend the day at AutoCamp, which is a brand new Airstream that has a pool and a resort. I've always wanted to stay there, but we're gonna check it out to see, is it worth it? Alright, so we made it to AutoCamp Joshua Tree, which is a really cool resort. There's a whole bunch of Airstreams. It's really pricey though. It's like $500-600 a night. But you can buy a pool pass for $20 a person for 2 hours, or the entire day for $80. So, here's what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's pretty clean. I do wish that the communal pool area was a bit bigger, especially with it being like 100 degrees out. But you get a key to use the amenities. All right, taking a break. Gonna check out the amenities. All right, I think that was a win.
What?
I mean, resort pass to use the pool.
Is a little smaller than I would have expected for something that costs $40 a day. But
it's true.
Kids are entertained, so it's a win.
Guess how much they are per night?
Man, $250.
No, like $550, $600 a night.
No.
Yeah.
For what?
Yes, my thoughts exactly.
It's a luxury Airstream inside.
But there's nothing around it.
Let's see if it's worth it.
Okay, I get if it was $500 nights, if it was like in a place that was remote and had a beautiful scenic view, but this is not. Look, take a spin. Just take a look around.
We will do a whole site tour. You know what I actually don't like about their site? It's really hard to find pictures. All right, so this is what it looks like inside. So you get a bed.
Cool.
And there's a small mini kitchen. Oh, I mean, that's a cute little bathroom. Little marble tiling, huh? Oh, someone washing their hands. I mean, you get a...
You know what else has all that?
Huh?
Hotel rooms.
I know, but you get the experience of an Airstream.
Okay, the experience of an Airstream is not like 50 Airstreams lined in a row. That, to me, that's not the experience.
All right, I'm gonna take a quick look.
Take a quick look. And then comment below who you agree with.
Let's see if it's worth it. There's a fire pit with way too many chairs. So there's like little suites. And then there's the Airstream ones. I think inside this is an outdoor shower too, which is kind of cool. But they're on cement foundations with the big blocks, and each of them just have a little patio area. There are a lot of them though. Okay, now there's like sort of this jungle gym thing with one cornhole. There's not another cornhole, and like you can sit on this deck here. There's a couple of swings. I will try the swings for you. Surprisingly, the chains are not that high. I guess you could take a few cool pictures. I don't know. I mean, it's nice, but it is a pretty cool concept. For Resort Pass, totally worth it, especially because there aren't that many water features here in Joshua Tree that you can actually rent out. So give it a shot. Go look it up.
Isaiah, watch out. It's gonna fall. Isaiah, Ezra, it's gonna fall.
Oh no!
That's pretty high though. Nice touch with orange and cucumber water.
I know we can't be super loud because got a staff member right there.
You're too noisy.
I know. I think if you look out here and you just see the mountains, it's nice. Then you get a billboard.
Now, what did that billboard say?
Is the resort pass worth it?
On a hot day like this, yes.
There's like not many other options for water features.
Yeah.
So,
Jellyfish.
I mean, this may be your only other option.
You're putting too much on my neck though.
If your Airbnb doesn't have one,
Hey, come here. Hold on,
this
stop.
is the best way to cool off. Totally. All right, in full transparency, we didn't actually use the app called Resort Pass. You can use an app, but for the specific day that we wanted to use, the Resort Pass is actually sold out. So luckily, AutoCamp does offer the daily resort usage on their website directly, and so I was able to book direct with them. But I will 100% be using this tactic to figure out what other resorts we can stay at, or even just crash the pool without having to pay $5,000, $6,000, $1,000 a night. You let me know, where would you use it? And again, my name is Josh Baldovino. I'm a marketer and I'm a real estate investor. And so if you found any value in this at all, please hit the like button. And just for fun, if you made it this far in the video, we're best friends and I would love to know, say AutoCamp in the comments. So type down AutoCamp. I'd love to see if you made it this far. Anyways, thanks so much. Please subscribe. And if you want to see what we did fixing our Airbnb in Joshua Tree because it's broken, make sure to click this video here. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Cheers.